She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey, look, pick up your phone, I need your...
Okay, this is strawberry. Not strawberry, but strawberry blonde. I'm gonna get you a strawberry soda. Pee off, baby boy. Unstable creatures.
Cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true. You mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know. She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl.
The lace is too light for your girl, so I'm gonna have to go in and darken it up with some pressed powder or some concealer. But y'all, she is pretty. Okay? She is stopping right at my dog ears. So I'm about to cut this lace off, go beat this face, and we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. In the beginning of the video, my eye was watering, so I had a little crest right there. Like, don't pay that no mind. Don't judge me. Okay? Okay. All right. I feel like Keisha Cole, because y'all know she used to rock the strawberry blonde. Yes. And we both know you're wrong. I don't know no Keisha Cole songs. What's the Keisha Cole song?
That say I love you all the time. Roses at your...
Hey y'all. How y'all doing? How are y'all doing? I'm doing okay. I'm feeling a lot better than I was a week ago. You know, with everything going on in the world, make sure you unplug from social media because it can be a lot. Personally, I had to deactivate my Facebook because I was just tired of seeing ignorance. People are showing their colors, their true colors during this time. So you always have to be aware of who you allow in your space, what type of energy you're around. I'm very vocal on Instagram about Black Lives Matter. But what I don't do is I don't debate. I don't argue with nobody because you're going to feel how you feel at the end of the day. I'm not here to change your mind. But all I can do is my part. And all you can do is your part. You know, sign petitions, you can protest, you can send emails. It's so many resources that's online. This is what it's like to be a YouTuber. I don't do all of this in one setting. I'm up here eating, you know, I'm listening to music while this wig lay. On top of everything that's going on within the Black community, people are still dealing with their everyday life struggles. You never know what people are dealing with. You never know what people are battling. So be kind, y'all. Spread love. You know what I'm saying? I know that's so cliche to say, but I'm only nasty when I have to be. Okay, but other than that, it ain't nothing but love and encouragement on my end. And I just thank y'all so much and I love y'all so much. Now, let's get back to this video.
Baby, I ain't hard to please. Girl, tell me what you need. Year round Valentine. I'm just trying to get some time. Would you spend the night with me? Maybe spend your life with me. Check me if I'm trifling. Let me be your bestie. Body and God will be flexing. Baby, we can stand the test of time. And you ain't even gotta second guess that. You mean the world to me. I travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know. She likes chocolate covered strawberry.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Today's video is brought to you by Ebony Line. Thank you guys so much for sending me this unit to review. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, honey. Let's go ahead and get into the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. Yes, I miss talking to y'all and I miss saying my little jingles. Jingle bells, jingle all the way, ho 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 away. Y'all, I don't know where that came from. I don't know where that came from, y'all. I just went along with it, okay? It just came out. I'm sorry. The wig that I am wearing today is by Outre. It is a part of their Perfect Hairline collection. It is a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace wig. They said it comes with transparent lace HD. Now, the lace blends good, but I don't know about no HD. No plucking required. This wig is heat resistant, safe up to 400 degrees. I have this wig in the style Geneva. Hey girl. In the color DRFF4 Strawberry Gold. Okay? Silver and gold. Oh, I'd rather have Jesus. Hey, let's go ahead and jump right into the pros and cons of this wig. Y'all already know how I do, how I get down. Get down on it. Come on and get down on it. Yes! I do have two cons when it comes to this wig. The first con I would have to say is that this wig is really small, y'all. It does come with a band inside the wig, you know, to give y'all that glueless application. But the wig is too small and it kept sliding back. So I did go in with my spray to lay it on down. The second con I would have to say is that this wig does shed. Okay, it's not enough shedding to make me dislike the wig, but it shed enough. And it may be because of the color, but I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I'm not making no excuse for the wig. When I run my fingers through it, I am catching a little bit of snags, but it's nothing where it's like. Those are the only two cons that I have to say about this wig. So let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say is I love the color. Yo, I ain't never heard of strawberry gold before. And I believe in the beginning of the video, I said strawberry blonde. I was wrong. It's strawberry gold. And it is beautiful. I don't feel like this color is too much. It's not jumping out, scaring you like, ooh, girl, what you got on your head? It is just right. I love the style of this wig as well, even though it's very basic. I feel like, you know, the layers, the color, it just sets the wig off, even though this style is very basic. Now, they said the hairline does not need any plucking. Personally, I'm not going to go in and pluck anything. If you want a more natural hairline, you can go in and pluck a few hairs. Because, you know, it is looking kind of boxy up there, you know. And I did cut it with my eyebrow razor. But you can go in and pluck it to make it look more natural and more flawless. But it is not a requirement. The parting space is really natural. All I did was pop on some press powder. The last pro I would have to say about this wig is the hair texture. It's not really silky and it's not yucky. It's like in between. I feel like it's just right. You can go ahead and do a nape test. I haven't done one of those in a minute. And y'all, the wig is just, overall, it's beautiful. I think my favorite part about this wig is the color. Now, if I got this in a regular black, I wouldn't be as excited about the wig, you know, because it'll look just regular. No, I don't think that you need to get this wig, but if you want some banging colors, then go ahead and grab it. You do get 13x6 parting space, so you can style this wig any way that you want to. But once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Ebony Line for sending me this unit to review. If you guys like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. Go ahead and hit that big red button down below. You won't regret it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.